How to address a spindle communication error and error 14 on a CNC powered by the Redline CNC controller. When you first turn on your Redline CNC controller, you might see a spindle communication error. When the machine state is in an error state, you cannot move the machine. You can't jog, zero, or home the machine. In order to continue with normal functioning of the CNC, you must resolve the error first. The first scenario we will discuss is you have set up your machine, but you have not set up your spindle kit yet, or are using a Makita router. In this scenario, you'll want to disable the Redline VFD. Go to the Settings button, then Configure button, then Spindle tab. Here, you will see that the Redline VFD is currently selected. We want to select None to disable the spindle kit. Then go back to the main tab. You will now see that the spindle communication error is gone and we are in a machine state of ready. Now you can use the machine in its normal operations. The next scenario we will discuss is your spindle is installed and it's correctly hooked up, but you're still getting a spindle communication error. This specific error is because the spindle and controller are not talking to one another. The first thing to check is to ensure the VFD is powered on. Go to the VFD on your Redline spindle kit and turn it on. Once the VFD powers on and communication between the spindle and controller are resumed, it will go into a ready state. You can now continue with your normal CNC operations. If at this point you still have the spindle communication error, there may be something wrong with your spindle kit. Check your spindle kit cables and ensure they are properly plugged in and secure. If still in an error state, conduct a factory reset and reprogramming of the VFD based on what controller type you're using and what type of spindle kit you own. Refer to the Factory Reset YouTube video. Ensure you use the video as a guide and refer to the Spindle Kit User's Manual for all programming codes. The manual will always have the most up-to-date codes. If this does not resolve the spindle communication error, please email support. The next topic we're going to cover is error 14 on the DRO of your VFD. If you turn on your VFD and your DRO or digital readout shows error 14, there are a few things we can check to resolve this. Did your VFD turn on before your Redline CNC controller fully powered up? Error 14 means that there's no two-way communication between the spindle kit and the CNC controller. So it will go into an error 14 state. To reset the error 14, simply press the stop reset button and that will remove the error 14. Two-way communication has resumed and you can use your spindle kit and CNC controller as normal. The next thing to check is, have you enabled the Redline VFD? Go to Settings, Configure, the Spindle tab, and ensure Redline VFD is checked. Then go back to the main tab. Press the Stop Reset button on the DRO. If you press the Stop Reset button and it won't go away, then there's a chance that the communication control cable is disconnected. Check your communication control cable and ensure that it is properly plugged in on your VFD and your controller. Check all the other cables of your Spindle kit and ensure they are properly plugged in and secure. Once you have checked all the cables on your Spindle kit, try pressing the Stop Reset button again. If at this point, error 14 still will not reset, conduct a factory reset and reprogramming of the VFD based on what controller type you are using and what type of Spindle kit you own. Refer to the factory reset YouTube video. Ensure you are using the video as a guide only and refer to the Spindle kit user manual for all programming codes. The manual will always have the most up-to-date codes. Try pressing the Stop Reset button again. If this does not resolve the error 14, please email support.